Hello friends, we are back with one more topic related to physics, that is light. We all are very familiar with certain concepts that are related to light. That is, light is a form of energy that produces sensation of vision. Also, light has rectilinear propagation, that is, light always travels in a straight line. Also, we all are familiar with the concept of reflection of light. That is, when light is incident on an opaque surface, it is reflected back into the same medium. In this diagram, as you can see, ray PQ represents incident ray QR represents a reflected ray, and the dotted line represents the normal, which is perpendicular to the surface. Also, the angle that is present between the normal and the incident ray is angle of incidence, that is angle I, and the angle that is present between the normal and the reflected ray is angle of reflection, that is angle R. And as per the laws of reflection of light, angle I is equal to angle R. So we all are very familiar with this basic concepts of light. Today what we'll be looking into is refraction of light. As we have seen, reflection of light occurs for an opaque surface, but refraction of light will occur for a transparent medium. That is, when light is passing from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it changes its direction. That is, the change in its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called as refraction of light. Now, in this case, let us consider a glass slab named as ABCD. So, in this case, the two mediums here are air and glass. So, light in this case will pass from air to glass and from glass to air. In this case, glass is a denser medium while air is a rarer medium. Okay, we all know that solids are denser than gases. So here glass is acting as a denser medium and air is a rarer medium. So when light in the first case, when it is passing from air to glass, it is bending towards the normal. So we can say here that the light is getting refracted. See, when light is moving from rarer to denser, it is bending towards the normal. And in the second case, the light will now pass from glass to air, that is from a denser medium to a rarer medium. So in this case, the light is moving away from the normal. So when light is passing from denser to rarer, it will move away from normal. Let us see certain terms that are related to refraction of light in this diagram. In this diagram, ray PQ indicates the incident ray QR is the refracted ray, and ray RS is the emergent ray. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is angle of incidence, that is angle I. The angle between the normal and the refracted ray is angle of refraction, which is angle R. And the angle between the emergent ray and the normal is angle of emergence, that is angle E. Now here we saw that light is changing its direction when it is passing from one transparent medium to another. Now what's the reason behind this? So let us understand why does the ray of light bend. As you can see, the tractor moving on a road. Now whenever the tractor has to change its direction, there should be a change in the speed of the tractor. So when the speed is more or less, the tractor will change its direction. So what we can conclude from here is the tractor is bending towards the normal as the velocity decreases. That is, we can say that light is bending towards the normal when there is decrease in the velocity of light. So this change in direction of light that we are observing is related to the velocity of light in a particular medium. So there are three conditions which are related to refraction of light. That is, when light is passing from rarer to denser, it will bend towards the normal. When it is passing from denser to rarer, it will bend away from the normal. And when light is traveling straight, that is in the direction of the normal, it will not show any deviation. So these are the three conditions. Just a quick revision. That is, when light is passing from rarer to denser, it is bending towards the normal. In this case, angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. Then when it is passing from denser to rarer, it is bending away from the normal. In this case, your angle of incidence will be less than angle of refraction. And the third one is when light is passing along the normal, that is in the direction of normal, it will go straight. That is, it will not show any change in the direction of light. I hope you have understood the topic related to refraction of light. Okay. Do like, put your comments, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.